As we see here, a wild Gavenster. We've traveled deep and far in the tiny town to get to him. They are known for their viciousness and their knowledge of humans. They know what a Naruto run is. It's quite surprising. They like hiding between trees. And now, send in the test subject. A vicious fight. Oh God. Send in the test subject again. A vicious brawl. And the test subject is down. Oh God, it's vicious. It's vicious. These are the natural enemies of the Shavister. They're they have deep hatred of humans.